Hey everyone, want to update GIMP to the latest version? In this video, I'll show you how to update GIMP step by step. Yeah, keeping GIMP up to date gives you access to the latest features, bug fixes, security improvements, and better overall performance. First, open GIMP on your computer and check which version you're currently using. Click the Help menu, then select About GIMP to view your installed version. This lets you compare it with the latest release available. Next, open your web browser and visit the official GIMP website. Go to the Download section and check whether a newer version is available for your operating system. If an update is available, download the latest GIMP installer. You know, it's always best to download updates directly from the official website to ensure you're getting the authentic and most secure version. Once the download is complete, close GIMP if it's still running. Then open the installer and follow the on-screen instructions to install the latest version. In most cases, the installer will update your existing installation automatically. After the installation finishes, launch GIMP again and return to the About GIMP window to confirm that the new version has been installed successfully. I mean, this quick check ensures the update was completed correctly. If you installed GIMP through a package manager or app store on your operating system, check there for available updates instead of downloading a separate installer. If the update doesn't install properly, restart your computer and try running the installer again with administrator permissions. So, this can help resolve permission-related installation problems. And that's how you update GIMP. Keeping your software updated helps improve stability, performance, and compatibility with the latest features. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more easy technology guides.